Do you like tacos? Do you like making money? Well, apparently, this company is searching for its first ever taco consulting expert, and the job pays $100,000 for 4 months of work. So, to put it into another terms, that's making $25,000 per month. That is absolutely insane. So let's get into this story because I thought it would be pretty interesting. So, are you a taco fanatic? McCormick and Company announced this week it is hiring for a new position, Director of Taco Relations. The position will be the first of its kind for the food company, and applicants must be 21 years or older and a resident of the U.S. with a valid driver's license, among other requirements. So the position runs September through December and pays $25,000 a month for a total of $100,000. And the Director of Taco Relations will also receive a supply of McCormick taco seasoning and other McCormick products. It is a part-time position that requires 20 hours of remote work a week, and around 10% of the job will require travel to in-person meetings, including visiting other taco locations in the U.S., traveling to McCormick's headquarters in the Hunt Valley, Maryland, and meeting with team members and participating in taco eating sessions. While no prior experience is necessary and McCormick is open to all experience levels, the company is looking for someone with a strong teamwork mentality and interest in all things tacos, and a keen eye for storytelling through video and social media. So the position's responsibilities will include creating recipes, scouring platforms like TikTok for the latest taco trends, and bringing other taco enthusiasts together. So to apply for the position, you need to submit a video that highlights your personality and passion for tacos in 2 minutes or less, and the company is accepting submissions until Tuesday, July 20th at 11:59 p.m. ET. So I think that's pretty interesting, and I think it's actually just kind of cool, right? Like, just think about that, right? You know, for 4 months of work, 20 hours per week, which isn't that much, it's part-time, get to like experience kind of like new things and make $100,000. Now here's the thing, like this could actually like this is like life-changing money in the sense that if someone decides to do this, they could probably be able to pay off whatever debt they might have within 4 months if they were to get hired for this, just because of this sheer surge in like capital. Because just imagine this, like there's a lot of people not even making $25,000 a year, right? So if someone is able to like get this job that's part-time, 20 hours per week, and they get $100,000 within 4 months, it would actually be worth it to quit your job if you're making $25,000 per year for this job, so that you could quickly pay off whatever debt you have, start building like a strong financial foundation, so that you could have the freedom to go look for a decent long-term position that will pay you more than $25,000 per year, right? And so another way to really look at this, or potentially learn something from this, is that if you see something that's available to you, right, like an opportunity to you, where like the pay is super high compared to your annual income, do like a pro and con list and maybe create like a pretty detailed plan that if you were to go and take that opportunity, and it's like something like this where like, you know, it's like a few months thing or just like a year part-time job, right? Where like a contract job, right? But it pays so much more than your typical job that you're full-time at. Really think about potentially doing that, sticking to that for that time frame to get this amount of money so that you could pay off any debt that you have as quick as possible, so that it's easier on you to work a full-time job, right? Regardless of the amount of money that it is, right? Because sometimes some people need to get their income a little bit higher to make it easier and quicker for them to get out of debt, start having an emergency fund, and start investing, right? Start like getting their life together. And so something like this can really help change someone's life. And like another example of this is like, let's say that you work in like construction, you have a full-time job working construction. Maybe you make like $15 per hour or something like that. Maybe you make, like maybe like $30,000 to $50,000 per year, depending on how much you work, right? But let's just say $50,000 per year you make, right? Well, if there's something that pops out, like let's say like some like oil rigging job pops up, right? And they're willing to hire you, but it's only for like a 1 year contract, and they're willing to pay like $100,000 or $150,000 for that 1 year contract. Really think about it and really think about potentially doing that for that year, even though it's going to probably be a much harder position. You might have to like relocate for that 1 year. The amount of money that you would get within that year might be so life-changing to help change your trajectory and give you so much more financial freedom by the end of it that it might make sense, right? Because you really gotta be very unemotional in this type of situation. It's like, hey, if there's something that's out there that is willing to pay me so much more money for this amount of time, yes, it might be a little bit uncertain as to what's going to happen around the time that it ends, but you can still be looking for like a full-time work while you're doing this, right? To set it up down the line, right? And as long as you're a good worker, you got good work history, you should be able to find a job by the end of whatever contract work that you're doing that's going to pay a crazy amount more money. But either way, you just got to really like make it very unemotional, very calculated. It's like, hey, does this make financial sense, right? Is it worth my time to work the full-time job that I'm working now for like a quarter of the pay? Or is it worth the risk of not necessarily having a secure job for this year, but get paid a crazy amount so that I can get and pay off my debt far sooner? I can start having a down payment for a house far sooner than what I would have compared to a normal full-time job that I had, right? Because, maybe doing this one thing, this one contract job might be able to provide you almost like a 4-year skip in your financial goals, right? Like that's how like life-changing some of these things could potentially be. Now, I think this is more of like a publicity stunt specifically for this company, but there are companies that do stuff like this where they offer these like contract positions where they pay very well, but it's for like a very specific amount of time, and they might hire you again for the next year, but you don't know that till like the very end of that contract, right? So it's a very uncertain thing as to what's going to happen afterwards. But during that contract, you are paid an extremely well-paying job. You're paid very well for the work that you do, and you've got to really think about, is it worth it to you? But also you got to factor in too, like they might say like, oh, you're going to make like $150,000 in a year. But if that amount is like in California and you're paying like crazy amount of taxes, so really you're only making like, let's say like 75,000 per year after all the taxes and expenses and all that kind of stuff, but your full-time job's still making like 50,000 after all the expenses and taxes, it might not actually be worth it. So that's something to think about too, because sometimes what the job actually entails might actually not be worth it if you were to actually break down the numbers. And that's why you got to do things very unemotionally, right? You got to be like, okay, what are the facts of this situation, and what is the best route for the least amount of headache? So we'll see you in future episodes. Feel free to check out 40inbox.com to learn how to master your money. And by the way, if you want to learn the secret to mastering your money, go down below and check it out.